Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file to Word document in mobile. It's pretty simple to do. All you have to do is actually have a PDF file you want to convert in your files of your phone. And after that, you're just going to go to your browser. So I'm using Safari, for example. And you're going to write down in Google File Converter. And after that, you will see this online converter .com. So you just choose this one. It's real simple to use this one. Now, this is a free online file converter, so all you have to do is actually choose from which file to which you want to convert. And let's just click on this first one. And now choose document and find PDF. And you want to convert it to Word document, so it should be docx. And then after that, you're just gonna drop your files here. Just gonna choose your file. And after that, as you can see, it has uploaded, and now you're just gonna click start. And basically, you're gonna just wait a little bit, and after that, your processing will end and your file will be processed and converted to docx. So basically, after, as you can see, it has converted, so you're just gonna click download, or you can also download it as a zip file. But basically, yeah guys, that's how you convert PDF file to Word document in mobile. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye!